Hi guys, my name is Maria and this channel is my online diary where I'm sharing with you my steps to my huge goal to become a millionaire in 7 years or even less. Here I'm talking about my financial strategies which are helping me in this journey. So if you are interested to join me in my way to this goal or just see if I can do it, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that like button from gray to blue. I'm always talking about money here on this channel, about investing in a stock market, about investing in a real estate, but today is a special day and a very special video. I'm so excited. I just want to talk with my subscribers so we could know each other much better. That's why about a week ago I asked all my subscribers in a Facebook to ask some questions and I promised to make a video answer to all these questions. And I didn't even expect that some of these questions could be so freaky, but you'll see all the answers just in a second. To be honest, I received tons of messages, so maybe I will do a part 2 also, but for now, let's start. I have my laptop here, so I will read all your questions from here, guys, and answer them all. Hi Maria, I have a question. What's your nationality? Well, as I told in my previous videos, I'm from Russia. I was born in USSR and originally I'm Russian. Also, that's why my English isn't perfect, but sorry for that. I'm trying to do my best and I hope after some time I will speak more fluently. Actually, you can check the first videos on this channel and I think my English became a little better since that time. You can scroll down and check my first video, which was exactly 2 months ago, because I started this channel in September 2020. Do you have an Instagram account? Yes, of course I have. Actually, you can find all my social media accounts here on YouTube, on my main page, or in the description of every video. I like your channel so much, and what's your favorite YouTuber? Well, thank you so much for your support. I like a lot of YouTubers, but my favorite for now are Meet Kevin, Graham Stephan, Jeremy and his channel Financial Education. Also, I love Ben and Patricia Bright and her channel The Break. What languages do you speak? Okay, so I speak Russian, I speak Ukrainian, I speak a little Spanish, I understand some German and French, and I speak English, of course. My question is, where did you go to college? I went to college in Russia. I have a degree in linguistics and in international business management. Also, I'm studying online now. I'm studying investment management. So wish me a good luck. What brought you to investing? Actually, I have a whole video called How I Started Investing and you can check it here on my channel. I've been investing for about 5 years now and I think it's a great opportunity to make some money and to increase my capital. If you are investing smart, of course, because I'm not a trader, I'm just a long-term investor. Are you investing in US market or European market? Well, I'm investing in US market, in European market, of course, also in Chinese market and also in Indian market. And here you can check my video about diversification of my stocks through different countries. If you could buy only one stock, what it would be? That's a difficult question, but I think I would buy an Apple stock because I just love this company. What broker do you use to buy stocks? As I'm not a US resident, I live in Europe and I can't use such brokers as Webull or Robinhood. I'm using a great broker, Interactive Brokers. It's really safe and comfortable for me. I can buy any American stocks or European stocks or even Chinese or Russian stocks. So if you live in Europe or anywhere else, you can check in the description of this video. There is a link to open an account in Interactive Brokers. It's my affiliate link. Also, you can get some free stocks there if you open an account through this link. And if you want me to guide you on how to open an account with Interactive Brokers, I have a whole video and I will leave a link below for you down in the description. Maria, can you tell how much money do you have in stocks now? Well, you should watch my channel more carefully because I just made a video about my dividend portfolio, about how I make $200 per month just in dividends, with all the numbers in that video. I showed my exactly numbers there, so please watch that video and you'll see all the information there. Also, I'm gonna make a lot of videos about my different portfolios with all the stocks there and with all the numbers, so this question is a topic of future videos. Make sure you subscribed to this channel not to miss anything. What do you think about BTI? Is it the right time to buy now? BTI is an ETF from Vanguard. For those who don't know, it's called Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. BTI includes such top holdings as Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and so on. I don't know what's exactly your strategy in investing, but as for me, I'm a long-term investor. I'm not selling my stocks. I'm investing consistently, not for 1 year or not for 1 month, but for 10, 15 years and more. Can I ask you, why did you start YouTube channel? Yes, sure. I started this channel to share my story, to share my journey, which would probably help someone or even motivate someone. I also love talking about investing, talking about finances, about the stock market. And the main thing is I want to be an example for my son, who is 10 years old now. I want to prove him that everything is possible and everybody has a superpower, not only Superman, you know. So for example, if you want to be a millionaire, stick to your goal, believe in yourself, and you'll get it one day. My question for video: what makes you so much interest only in money? Well, this channel is about my $1 million goal. That's why I'm talking about money here. In my ordinary life, I don't talk so much about money. I have my family, I have a lot of hobbies, I have my job, and exactly here, a lot of topics about money, because this channel called Millionaire in 7 Years, and I'm showing here my steps to $1 million. So I can't talk about cooking or fishing here. I hope you get it. What will you do when you have $1 million? I will do the same things as I do now. I will continue to invest in a stock market and invest in the real estate, and I hope I will continue to make videos for this channel. How can I start earning passive income as a teen during the quarantine? Well, I think the best way to make some money for you is here in internet, I mean online. You know, just Google it, how to make money online. There is a lot of affiliate programs. And yes, why don't you start a YouTube channel and share with us your journey? I will definitely support you. So just think about this. If you are interested in this topic, I'm sure a lot of young people are also interested, and you will already have hundreds of viewers on your channel. So that's a huge opportunity of making money online. Miss Maria, do you recommend any books before I start investing? Yes, sure, I love books. I have a list of my favorite books down below in the description of this video. Actually, I started this channel after I read a book named How to Become a Millionaire in 7 Years. The exact name is The Road to Financial Freedom: Earn Your First Million in 7 Years, What Rich People Do and Poor People Do Not to Become Rich. And I really recommend you to read this book. There are some links to my favorite books in the description. You can buy these books super easy from Amazon, just a normal book or an audiobook. And also, if you purchase some books through that links, I will receive a commission with no additional cost for you. And I really appreciate if you do this to support my channel and me as a small YouTuber. How many income streams do you have? Well, for now, I have 4 income streams. It is my rental property, my regular job, my dividends, and my affiliate links. Why did you name your channel so? As I just said, I started and named this channel after I read this book, and exactly this book gave me an idea to name my channel Millionaire in 7 Years. And I really recommend everybody to read this book because it's so inspiring. The quality of your videos is great. What camera do you use? Well, thank you for your question. I really love my camera. I'm using my favorite Sony ZV-1. It's very easy to use, and I just love Sony company. Actually, I'm buying Sony stocks too. I think it's the best camera for bloggers now, and if you want to buy the same camera, I will leave a link below for you in the description. I am wondering, are you a lesbian? I'm just wondering what makes you think so. You are so beautiful. Are you married? That's another great question. No, I'm not married yet. When I'll get married, I'll definitely tell you. Maria, you have a gorgeous skin. Are you a vegetarian? No, I'm not vegetarian. Is the skin quality depends on vegetarian you are or not? I'm just taking care of my skin and body. I'm eating healthy food and some vitamins. I never eat fast food or something like that. And also, I don't drink heavy drinks. I don't smoke and I don't use drugs. Maybe that's why my skin is so nice. Anyway, thanks for your question. What is keeping you on track with your goals? I just love my goals already and I enjoy every step I make and the way to these goals. My goals are making me stronger, smarter, and also I'm meeting a lot of great people on my way, such people as my subscribers, for example. So my friends, that's all for today and I hope to see you soon. Please stay safe and take care. Bye!